Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all doing good. Hope you're doing well. All right, we are back with the 8S Supe truck, guys. Let's see if we can get a quick pass in. Whoop whoop. That's a nice hump in the middle of the road. All right fellas, let's go. Huh. Seems like my steering is off. Let's bring it back. Yeah, you see it's pulling? Look at that. Wow, that was a hard pull. Huh. Check that speed right quick. Stop. Read. That was 87. Huh. Very strange. Here we go again. Oh, keep forgetting about that hump, man. Okay, let's go. It's pulling to the left, man. I'm giving it so much steering input. Seems to be running kind of straight. All right, fellas. So, still got some more work to do on this car. A couple of launches seemed all right. Just, you know, I think it's tires just messing me up. I kind of have these chunk foams on here and stuff. So I'm gonna put a fresher set of tires again on there and try and run it, see if I can get this thing to go straight. Yeah, Azure packs on here, guys. Forgot to mention they also have springs, guys. So I was mentioning before that if you're lazy like me, guys, and you want to just put on some stiffer springs and not have to put anything on the shock shafts, guys, this is like super stiff, right? So I think up to maybe about like 120s, 130s, the front shouldn't be doing any lifting or anything like that, as long as you know, set your suspension right. And man, they look really good. Titanium springs, guys, heck yeah. All right fellas, hope you all enjoyed this one. Again, it was just a quick rip. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Peace out.